out there.
There sure is.
Harry, please, I've got to see it. It's Ray, Bill.
Yeah.
Stopped over the men. What then?
And then this light comes out of this saucer and plucks them two guys right off the pier.
That's right. See anyone inside the saucer? Any spacemen?
Well,
tell them, Harris. It was just like what Mrs. Green saw last spring.
Mrs. Green?
That's right.
Yeah, they were scaly, like lizards or something.
And they were peeking through the windows through their one big eye.
One eye?
Yeah, right here. Right. In the center of your head.
It wasn't scaly, Harris. It was
Max,
bumps.
please be patient, okay? I'm gonna fix your breakfast in a minute.
Bumps.
Well, when Miss Green saw scale,
Mrs. Green's getting senile. I think you're getting senile, too.
Thank you both for your vivid description. The scene here at Paradise Cove can best be described as frantic. This small coastal town was stunned early this morning when a brilliant orange saucer-like object appeared over the cove and plucked two men from the pier. Both local and federal officials are combing the site of the abduction for a possible clue to the origin of the mysterious craft and are trying to discourage flying saucer stories until their investigation is complete. Most witnesses describe the object as being orange in color and comprised of two saucer-like stacked on top of one another. One thing is certain, a reddish beam came down from the center of the saucer and enveloped two unidentified men who were standing on the pier. Bystanders watched in horror as the men seemed to disappear inside the beam. When the beam disintegrated, the men were gone. More to come later on this extraordinary sighting. This is Sandy Smoker reporting for KMS-TV, Paradise Cove, California.
Paradise Cove, that is only 20 minutes away from here. I don't know why Oscar didn't call us, too. Max? You know, it's a good thing those folks on the TV can't see the things that you do. They'd figure you were from Mars, too. Could have fixed something for the both of us, you know. Excuse me, I'm looking for Oscar Goldman. He's with the OSI. Can you tell me where he is?
Sorry, ma'am, but you'll have to move on.
Look, I'm a very good friend of his, so if you could just tell me.
Move on, ma'am. Hey, where do you think you're going? I told you about that before.
Why did it have to happen?
I don't know, Mama. I don't know. We'll find them.
No, we won't. It's because of that project. They didn't want us to do it. They didn't want Ray to do it.
Would you like a cup of coffee, maybe something to eat?
No.
There's something that I have to do. Would you be okay, Norma?
Hey.
What are you doing here?
Well, I was watching this circus on television, and I saw you, and I didn't even know you were in California.
Oh, so your curiosity was aroused and you decided to come see me, huh?
Oh, yes, that's true. What's going on here? Isn't it Bill Robbins over there with that woman?
Yes, it is. Oh, here. Hey, safe to talk to you.
So talk. I mean, I can't believe what I've been hearing. Martians, flying saucers.
I know this is gonna sound crazy, but there was something out there. I saw it.
You saw it? Come on, Oscar. What'd you see?
A flying saucer. Everything that these people are saying is true. A great big flying saucer.
Oh, really? Well, wait a minute. What about Bill Robbins? He's a UFO expert. Did he see it too?
He hasn't got the faintest idea about it, but it was there. As plain as day. It flew over them and they disappeared.
Disappeared.
Yes, it was a beam, a light. It came out of the saucer. It lifted them right off the pier.
Who?
Ray Fisk and Rudy Wells.
Oh, my God.